come 1st July and you will be surprised by Income Tax Department of India, and it's not a good surprise, of course. So you have to pay 20% additional TDS, whatever money you are going to send abroad, even every single dollar, you have to pay 20% more as a TDS. Actually, it is TCS. Now, in today's video, I will explain two questions. First question, if you have sold a property in India recently and you are trying to remit the money abroad, do you need to pay additional 20% on that? And second, if you just planning to gift somebody or send some money to somebody, do you need to pay TDS on that? And if you need to pay TDS, can you recover that money? And if yes, how you can recover? So these 3-4 questions you will understand in this video. So let's start. So hello friend, my name is CA Arun Tiwari and I basically deal in NRI taxation, international taxation and tax litigation, that is notice reply and appeal filing. And today I got this question because just after 1 or 2 months, 1st July will come and there is new provision will come into action which says that anybody sending money abroad need to pay additional 20%. Now this is a big question for those people who recently has sold property in India and they are planning to take money abroad for some other purpose. So first question, do they need to pay additional 20% after paying taxes here? The answer is no. This is not applicable for those. There is some other purpose for this TDS or TCS which I will explain you. So if you have already sold the property and already you have paid taxes, or you have applied for lower TDS certificate and you have paid taxes according to that lower TDS certificate, then you don't need to pay additional 20% when you are transferring this money abroad. Simply you need to file a 15 CACB with your bank and your bank will transfer your money in your foreign account without withholding any tax. So this question is very much clear. Second question comes into mind that if suppose you are parent here, you want to gift some money to your children who are settled abroad, or your children are studying abroad and you are sending money every month to support their education abroad, or you want to gift somebody a foreign vacation, or you are just married and you want to go on a honeymoon abroad, do you need to pay 20% TDS? And the answer is yes. So basically this new provision of TCS, now I will not explain what is TDS, what is TCS, you can read on Google. There is no much difference, only thing it's differently deducted and the beneficiary is different, but I will not get into that because that is not important. The important is that from 1st July, if you are planning to send some money abroad in whatever form, either as a gift or to help your children or to help them to buy property abroad or to help them invest in some international stocks, whatever will be the purpose, you have to pay 20% additional. So for example, if you are planning to send $10,000, you have to give the bank $12,000. They will return $2,000 and they will only send $10,000. So this is applicable. Even suppose you are Indian, you are not foreigner, nobody knows what is foreigner, but you want to go abroad to enjoy some foreign vacations, either for business purpose, personal purpose, or you just want to spend a good honeymoon there and you want to buy a foreign package, traveling package or tour package, you need to pay 20% additional. Of course, it's going to be very costly. Okay. And I do not want to get into the what is the intention of the government in that. The only thing, it's going to hurt a lot of people. Okay, their money going to be stuck a big time because any foreign vacation you are going to buy, it's going to cost at least 5 lakh rupees in Indian rupees, and then you have to spend another 1 lakh rupees which will go to government account, basically in income tax account, and you can get a refund. I will explain you later, but this money is going to stuck for a period which can be 6 months to 1 year. So anyhow, second question I answered. 1st July, after any money you are sending abroad, you're buying some foreign currency, you're buying some foreign vacation or tour or travel packages. Okay, you are sending money to somebody either as a gift or to support this thing. Only exception is if you're sending money for medical purpose, medical treatment. Now there will be procedure where you have to prove it's for medical treatment of your relative or somebody you know. Except that, any payment you are making abroad which need to be paid in foreign currency, there will be additional 20% withholding tax. So this is going to be a TCS or withholding, you say. That means what? Then basically whoever you are going to make payment, like for tour operator, they will ask you to pay 20% additional and they will deposit that 20% amount into your income tax account against your PAN number. So they are not going to keep it. This is going to be as an advance tax for you. So understand, this withholding is not like a GST which you cannot claim. This is for income tax purpose. So basically it's an advance tax credit which will be standing in your income tax account which you can take benefit when you're going to file your income tax return. Now, the most important part, if you have to send money, you have to send money, whether there's 20% deduction or 30% deduction. But if you have some genuine reason, like your children are studying abroad, you have to send the money. It will be definitely an extra burden, but this is a government dictate and you can't do anything. But what you can do, you can get that money back. Yes, it's possible. And there is a simple way. You have to file your income tax return. No other way. Okay. So even suppose your income is below taxable limit, you have to file return and to claim this refund. So there are two situations comes. First situation where your income is taxable. So what you can do, you can pay less taxes so that you don't have to claim refund, because of course claiming refund is again a headache. So suppose suppose you have to pay 1 lakh rupees tax and 30,000 already deducted for some foreign transactions. So you can plan your taxes such a way that you only end up paying 17,000 more and you can take benefit of 30,000 which is deducted as a TCS and you can be happy. There is no money stuck. Second situation where you don't have to file return. In that case, still you have to file income tax return and you have to claim all that money as a refund. Now, how much time it will take? So if I say from my experience, anything between 9 months to 12 months, they take it. Bigger the amount, more time they are going to take. And I will advise you, take help of some good chartered accountant and file your return properly, so that the income tax department should not get a reason to hold your money without you can say any explanation, because most of cases it happens. If the money is big, for example 10 lakh, 20 lakh, they generally hold the refund for whatever small silly reasons. So better you file return properly, get it checked. Maybe there will be some cost, and I'm not promoting my business, but only I'm saying that sometimes people prefer to file themselves and there's some silly mistakes, like you can miss out some income details which you should mention there, and what happen, your return become defective. And if your return become defective, that means it is as equal to not filing income tax return, and then that become a reason the income tax department can sit on money. So better hire a professional, a chartered accountant or a professional firm, pay them some money for time being, maybe for that year only, and get proper return filed, and also get a service where they can follow up with the department if the refund get delay. So we do provide such services where we provide a service from filing return to getting refund, and if you are interested, you can contact us, contact my team. The detail of that client support team is given below and we can help you to understand. If you got any more question about this TDS, 20% TDS or TCS or with the holding tax, whatever you say, you can call my team or you can book an appointment. If it's a small questions, you put a comment, I will reply or my team will reply. If it's a personalized, please don't put your personal details here. It's a public platform. Send me a mail and my team or me will reply. Just understand, if this is a personalized question which take time, definitely we have to charge some consulting fees. So that's all in this video. Thank you. Have a nice day.